Chapter 1, Verse 2.
All praise is due to Allah.
It is important to note that even if one praises Allah, the Exalted, to the utmost level both verbally and physically by using the blessings He has granted them in ways pleasing to Him, even then, they will never be able to fulfill the right of praising Allah, the Exalted, according to His infinite status. This fact has been confirmed by the one who was most grateful and most praising of Allah, the Exalted, namely, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. This has been confirmed in a narration found in Sunan an-Nasa'i, number 169. The reason for this is that a person's praise and thanks of Allah, the Exalted, is in itself or blessing from Allah, the Exalted, as the inspiration, knowledge, strength and opportunity to do this comes from Allah, the Exalted. Understanding this fact prevents the deadly characteristic of pride, an atom's worth of which is enough to take one to hell. This has been warned in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 266. In addition, it is important for Muslims to remain firm in praising Allah, the Exalted, both verbally and physically by using the blessings He has granted them in ways pleasing to Him. They must also avoid overpraising others for the qualities Allah, the Exalted, has granted them. In a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 2662, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, warned against overpraising others. This is a disliked deed as it firstly can be sinful if the praise is based on falsehood. Even if it is true, overpraising people, especially the ignorant, can cause them to become proud. This is an evil characteristic as an atom's worth of it is enough to take one to hell. This has been warned in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 265. Overpraising can even cause the praised person to believe they have fulfilled their potential in obeying Allah, the Exalted, and therefore do not need to strive harder in his obedience. A Muslim should not be fooled by the praise of others as they know their actions and in a hidden character better than any other person. Reflecting on this and the countless times Allah, the Exalted, has concealed their faults from people should prevent them from becoming proud. In addition, they should remember that the praised quality they possess was granted to them by none other than Allah, the Exalted. Therefore all praise belongs to Him. Finally, a Muslim should become more grateful to Allah, the Exalted, by using the blessings they possess in ways pleasing to Him. They should instead advise others about this hadith and warn them not to overpraise others. Only in certain cases is praising others acceptable and must include not overpraising them, sticking with the truth, and it should be done in order to encourage them to do more good. This especially applies to children, such as praising them in respect to their school work, good behavior and fulfilling the duties of Islam.